Y'all better watch out. Get the fuck out of the road.
Oh man, the ass end's all up on it. Damn.
That thing needs to be bobbed about 2 foot.
That ain't gonna happen.
It needs to be bobbed about 2 foot.
He's gonna dig it out in a minute.
Hey, ain't you got one of them chainsaws with the carbide tip blade? We'll just cut the back off of that thing and you got it. My God. Concrete saw that thing off. Oh, shit. I went right off in beside that tree.
No, that's gonna be hell.
Turned and went between them trees. Oh, no, it took a minute. Hey, go that way.
Yeah, stay up here. Tell him to stay up here.
No, don't stay up
Yeah, there you
Fall
go.
off right over there.
No, just go off right there. It ain't gonna hurt him if he flips. Hell, he ain't scared.
Well, there's a tree there to catch him.
Yeah, tell him to go this way.
He's got
That's a full cable.